I didn't know what you was saying. Maybe I could my ear. Oh man, I didn't know because I didn't know now, but I'm never going to say I didn't know from my man because I said one or so. Michel is here, Michel. Somewhere. I didn't yet take it to a now for Mobeniana. Yalokemo. But you can enjoy yourselves, right? Okay, let's go to next one.
Hey,
On the Maya. Listen, Andrew, yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. For a second, your first time home. It's a situation you won't play, mama. I'm going to say you miss that one. If you blame yourself that after school you'll be so rich, so you see your answer it's very simple. If you believe you'll be so rich, I want to see your answer like this. Believe in yourself. This is Kacha with a prophesy. And now some people that prophesy we believe. Say a private say your God. God, everybody will do your blessing of the school for me. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you come. Yeah. Yeah, fast. One.
You don't make a call you to what's your number again? To the body. You go and see the name.
Challenge. You know, say every school when we go there, we see we get some die-hard fans. Every song we drop, this guy is sing back to back. And the shop, I watch out. Andrew, I beg give her your mic for me. Don't play anything, we'll do one together, yeah? Okay. One fast, okay, we're going 1, 2, 3, go slides, yeah. Ofi is our the car, see, Obi soon Nisa, yeah. Obi soon Yaba, Obi a brother, Obi a Nata, and that's it. Yes, I'm back. When I'm not going to say, oh, I can't so jumper. It's me, I don't say. Obi, you want to process it. I don't forget any new dollars, starting about what you know what I say. And so, not to the sample, that's how I'm born, that's how I'm going. You can show you a photo, that's the old one, only photo. I can be a very so good, but how to want to hear a photo. Hey, I am a go, what the picture of you don't know. You take, and we see. What be your name? Ah, you forget your name. What be your name? Elisha.
Elisha Bompire. Elisha Bompire.
If you finish performing,
that's it.
I won't make you get around. We'll finish performing and follow me, make I dash you something, yeah? Yeah. No, it is say.
Money day, with money no day. Yeah, the power
and don't be with you, no one said that. Now I want to see everybody hustling like this. No, person, I better see you hustling like this. Are you ready to go crazy? Are you ready to go crazy? Now, do you love this one? Let's go. Still on the fucking. Yes. And the body. Stay with him. Stay with him. I want to hear you say this one. Baby, give me precious. You just say you never go worry. Wait till we say, baby, I know that time go. Now you may give me precious gold. Now you may give me precious gold. Now you may give me precious gold. Yeah, come on, yeah, come on, yeah, come on, yeah. All the girls want to see me. All the girls want to me. All the girls want to me. Cause I have to show them company. Where some boys want that, someone hear me, someone tell me why. They don't stop. What's the sound like? Sa 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 sa. Give me play some song. Where they go like ta 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 ta. Where all the girls they can post. Hey, I see what I'm around. Some say buy them pizza. Some say buy them mega. Some say buy them bar. Now this pressure get that line. I won't go hey. This is what you do. Hold it.
Josh, you know what? I'll make you introduce our new song.
Please, I have no idea. Who's on TikTok? Who's on TikTok? Who's on TikTok? You're on TikTok, you're on TikTok, you're on TikTok. Because the song we're about to sing is one of the biggest songs on TikTok right now. And we are giving a lot of goodies on TikTok. Listen, if your love is a prison, then why don't you love me for life? I want you to remain in yourself, so forever, ever, ever, ever. If your love is a prison, then why don't you love me for life? I want you to remain in yourself, so I love you forever, ever, ever, ever. Oh baby, come and give me this. I want you to remain in yourself, so forever, ever, ever, ever. Oh baby, come and give me a kiss. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sekachagua.